Hello guys, so today nagawa tayo ng science. So, kailangan ng water dito. Wait lang yun, papato. So, kailangan nyo na 2 sheets of paper or tissue and then draw any you want. Ayun. Isang sheet ng paper. Isang tissue. So, akin is heart. You're going to do it double like this. And then, one of them will be colored. Mine will be red since heart is red. I finish coloring one of them. Wait. And then look at this. And then you're going to put the drawing on the paper. Or tissue. And then you're gonna see this. So, let me just fix it. 3, 2, 1, and 3, 2, 1, go. See? It colors! Wow! It colors like this. That's all for the science right now. I hope you like, subscribe, or comment, and enjoy this video. Bye bye.